WaterWheels is composed of 6 different parts: the frame, 3 balloon tires, and 2 floating armrests. Lay down the parts where you plan to assemble it. First, install the rear tires. The chair frame should lay flat on the ground. You should arrange the 2 larger tires with the back of the chair frame so the tires are properly aligned with the openings on the frame. Then, place the screws into each tire plate and tighten them. Now, install the front wheel. Arrange the small tire to be properly aligned with the front rod. The tire will click into place once aligned correctly. Then lock the tire into place by tightening and pushing down the locking handle. For the armrest installation, the wheelchair frame should be open. Insert the rear rod attached to the armrest into the opening on the backrest of the chair frame. The armrest will click into place once it is aligned correctly. Then insert the front rod of the armrest into the opening on the seat of the chair frame. Lock the armrest into place by tightening the knob. You are now ready to use your WaterWheels.